It's that time again, the yearly car inspection, so it's safe to drive on the Swedish roads. I drive a Tesla and everything will pass except one thing, the fog lights. They are too high set from the factory. You can't lower them from the screen like the headlights. So every Tesla Model 3 and Y will fail in the Swedish government vehicle inspection. But you can fix this problem. Option 1, you go to Tesla here, but I wouldn't recommend it. It will probably cost you some money. Option 2, you tape over the fog lights. Make sure to use black tape here, not see-through. Still, I wouldn't recommend to do this. Option 3, you actually lower the fog lights. So you need a tool. You'll open up the cover besides the wheel and you rotate it down so it gets to lower level. But I will warn you, sometimes this works and sometimes it don't. It depends on the car, I guess. For me it didn't work, so the best method is option 4. You disconnect the cable to the fog lights. Or option 5, lucky. You just hope the inspector doesn't check the fog lights. Like last time for me, he didn't check them. I will try this option again. It's risky. If he check them, the car will fail and I have to go back and pay an extra fee. Speaking of paying, who will get my money? So different car companies send out some offers to you. Last time I used Carspect. This time we have bail proving. I will not use neither of them because the cheapest option is Stekia, 50 bucks. But before we go, let's change the clothes to a little bit less MI6 agent. Wish me luck. It failed. Surprise, surprise. Both sides of fog lights are dazzling the oncoming traffic. Rest of the car is okay. I need to fix the fog lights before. I have 1 month on me actually. But I only need 1 hour. What you need is a screwdriver, a flashlight, and tiny arms. If you don't have the last one, you might need to remove the wheel. But try first to rotate the wheel all the way, and then you get more space. First thing, remove the small plugs here. They are really hard to get out. Open up the cover, and before you disconnect the cable, try to rotate it down the fog lights. If it works, you are lucky. If you don't, you're in my situation, but no worries. That cable right there is the one we're gonna disconnect. So take your small arm, all your strength, and boom, remove it. No light. Done. Now you do the other side as well. Where are you? And now successfully I have removed the fog lights. I never used them anyway. This whole process took me around 1 hour. Time to go back to the car inspection. And ta-da! Both fog lights are fixed. I disconnected them, but either way there's no law you need the fog lights in the front of the car. I will leave them disconnected because I can't be bothered to do this all over again. I never used them anyway. Did I have to pay for the second time? No! Oh, that was kind of them. Now you know everything you need to do to adjust your fog lights. Why are they so high in the first place? Tesla. In the newer models they completely remove the fog lights, which proves you really don't need them. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see how this ended up in my tire, watch this video right here.